13-month would require, 13-month pay provisions would require that the deadline would be December 24. No? Pinakadugay nga December 24. Although some, labi na sa government, November 15 ang pinakasayo ang paghatag mo ng hurot na. No? So, sa sayo-sayo. No? But some companies are also giving, no, 13th, 14th month. They are giving productivity bonuses, also performance bonuses to some employees. These are the things that we would want to capture. So, performance bonus would be based on the basic pay. And take note, I would like to remind employers that the basic basihanan sa kanang 13th month pay. Now, because we were wondering, ano man yung ubang mga kumpanya, magsige pa overtime. No, because some, no, very few although, think that overtime to siya tanan. So, dili siya appeal sa 13-month pay. Pero appeal na siya, mahal na noon siya. Kaya mo 13-month pay pabiya ka.